Every time the S&P Case-Shiller Index comes out, the media treats it like the absolute word of God on home prices. But this index is a financial illusion. It's a data dinosaur that is misleading buyers and sellers by showing them history, not reality. Case in point, the latest Case-Shiller report released just last week gives you home prices for August 2025. Think about that. We're in November, but we're basing decisions on contracts signed in June and July. Because of the 45 to 60 day escrow closing period, this influential number is 2 to 3 months behind the actual market. Now, why does this lag matter? Because the market has shifted dramatically since August. When rates were 6.5% in the summer, buyers were in the contract. Now that rates are down to 6.1%, sentiment has changed and price cuts are far more common. A seller looking at August's 0.2% monthly gain is setting their price too high for the November buyer, effectively creating more of that ghost inventory we just talked about. The problem isn't just the delay, it's the methodology. The index relies on repeated sales, only properties that have sold at least twice, to minimize quality differences. But this small slice of homes, which is less than 0.5% of the total housing stock selling monthly, is not representative of the entire market. It is susceptible to being skewed by distressed sales or sudden regional shifts, like the sharp price drops we're seeing in former Sunbelt boomtowns like Tampa, Florida. If you're using Case-Shiller to make a decision today, you're driving by looking in the rearview mirror. For a true pulse on the market, track pending sales volume and new listing price reductions. Those are the real forward-looking indicators. Stop letting a 2-month-old index trick you into overpaying or underselling. That's today's Real Deal from Joy.